Hello everyone, I am Bijal Soni, your Clinical Marketing Manager from CHISON. Today we bring to you our top and latest innovation, SonoAir, a system that encapsulates years of experience into manufacturing and R&D, along with our expertise in making healthcare affordable and accessible. Ultra high definition LED touch screen, the system also brags the position of being world's lightest, thinnest and fastest model of laptop ultrasound. With the weight of only 2.1 kg and 26 mm thickness, the system also allows you to have 4 live probe port connections. The idea of redefining the future, we keep in mind the data privacy and protection, our topmost priority. SonoAir allows you to lock your system with biometrics. SonoAir is designed to cater the need of every department, right from general practices, OB/GYN, musculoskeletal, to vascular, emergency and trauma care, fast and extended fast scans, and neurology. It is a system that will enhance your experience and upscale your practice. Features like intelligent Doppler that automatically adjusts the sample volume size, the baseline of the spectrum, and the gain of the 2D image makes the workflow faster and efficient. Auto image optimization, which is a single touch optimization of the 2D image color and pulse wave. Then Sono Bladder to calculate the pre-void and post-void bladder volume. Probes with C-type connection makes the system modern, and NVMe based architecture makes the system robust. Customizable reporting software and open peripheral connectivity allows the Air platform to be more flexible and customizable to the core, making the system more efficient, ergonomic and elegant. We hope you would love to use our SonoAir as much as we do and recommend.